Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to connect Bluetooth earphones to Windows 10 PC or laptop. Click Start, Settings. Click Devices. Click Bluetooth and other devices. Click Add Bluetooth or other device. Click Bluetooth. Select your Bluetooth earphones. Your Bluetooth headphone is connected. Click Done. Wireless headphone is listed under Audio. Click Disconnect to disconnect your device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.